Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by assembling and positioning the Dr Trust Nebulizer. Connect the tubing to the compressor and the medication cup. Attach the mouthpiece or mask. Once done, wash your hands and measure the prescribed dose carefully. Accuracy matters for effect and safety. Make sure the unit sits level on a stable surface and plug it into a grounded outlet within 3 feet of the patient. This immediate setup minimizes delays and prevents spills while keeping airways ready for treatment. Next, prepare and run the treatment cycle. Open the medication cup and add the exact volume prescribed. Avoid trapping large bubbles, then secure the cap. Attach tubing to the cup and then to the compressor. Turn the machine on and confirm a steady, fine mist. This indicates correct particle size for lung delivery. Once the mist is steady, place the mouthpiece in your mouth or position the mask snugly and breathe normally while sitting upright. Deep, calm breaths improve deposition in the lungs. To finish, switch off and unplug the unit, then disconnect tubing and remove any leftover medication. Discard per guidance. Rinse the medication cup and mouthpiece with warm water, shake off excess, and air dry on a clean towel. Make sure filters are inspected and replaced according to the manual. Store the device in a dry, dust-free area. If you see no mist during use, check power and wiring, ensure tubing and cup are seated correctly, and replace the filter or tubing if damaged. This single check.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.